Let's talk about why Entra Join is the optimal choice for commercial organizations. Entra Join, previously known as Azure Active Directory Join, offers a cloud-native identity solution for devices that aligns perfectly with modern security and management practices. Here are some of the key benefits. Simplified management and deployment. On-premises domain join requires a direct connection to the corporate network, which can be cumbersome and limiting, especially for remote or hybrid work environments. Entra Join, on the other hand, allows devices to be managed and deployed from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for VPNs or direct network access, making it easier to onboard new devices and users. Enhanced security. Security is a paramount concern for any organization. Entra Join leverages modern security features such as conditional access, multi-factor authentication, and passwordless authentication methods like Windows Hello for Business. These features, which are more challenging to implement and manage in an on-premises environment, provide robust protection against unauthorized access and phishing attacks. Seamless integration with cloud services. Entra Join integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 and other cloud services, enabling single sign-on and access to cloud resources without the need for additional configuration. This integration ensures that users have a consistent and secure experience across all their devices and applications, whether they are working from the office, home, or on the go. Reduced administrative overhead. Managing on-premises domain join devices often involves complex configurations and maintenance tasks, such as group policy management and regular maintenance and updates to on-premises infrastructure, including domain controllers. Entra Join simplifies these processes by centralizing device management through Microsoft Intune. This reduces the administrative burden and allows IT teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. Scalability and flexibility. As organizations grow and evolve, their IT infrastructure needs to scale accordingly. Entra Join provides the flexibility to scale device management effortlessly. Whether you're adding new devices, expanding to new locations, or integrating with third-party applications, Entra Join offers the scalability needed to support your organization's growth. As with any change, there are common concerns that are voiced and should be addressed. The primary concern for most organizations is access to on-premises resources. Specifically, whether users on Entra Join devices can access on-premises resources, including file shares, internal applications, printers, and internal websites. The answer is yes. Entra Join supports hybrid environments, allowing devices to access on-premises resources using technologies like Windows Integrated Authentication and Microsoft Entra Connect. Implementing Entra Join for your new Windows devices offers numerous benefits, including enhanced security, seamless access to resources, simplified management, and an improved user experience. By following Microsoft's documentation and guidance, you can ensure a smooth transition to a cloud-native identity solution that aligns with modern security and management practices.